Alright, so if you're always looking to get yourself a budget dash camera under the price bracket of 5,000 or even 10,000 rupees, and you don't want to get into the hassle of those heavy pocketed 20, 30 and 40,000 premium worth dash cameras, this is the ultimate dash cam list and this is the video which you should be checking out. So in this video, I'll show you the top 8 budget dash cameras which you can buy under the price bracket of 5,000 and under the price bracket of 10,000 rupees. These are some of the best single front only dash cams and dual channel dash cams, and for those who are very budget conscious, this is the only list which you should be checking out. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're interested in winning some of the premium dash cameras this year, I'll be giving away one dash camera every month of 2025. Yes, you can stand a chance to win that dash cam, and all you need to do that is just join as a member of Travel Tech channel. You will automatically qualify for all the giveaways, and who knows, you might just win a Starvis 2 4K powered dash camera. So let's not waste any more of your time and jump in straight into the video to show you some of the best budget dash cams that are available out there. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So starting off the list with one of the cheapest and, should I say it, one of the best budget dash cams I've actually tested out. I'm talking about the EVO N700. Yes, I've personally tried out this dash cam and I'm quite impressed considering this comes under the 3000 price bracket segment. Now this dash cam gets a 5 megapixel 2.5K resolution with a close to 160 to 170 degree field of view. It also gets Wi-Fi, G sensor, emergency recording, and supports memory cards up to 512 GB. You also can activate parking mode if you do purchase the additional hardware kit. Now for the price of 3000 rupees, the video quality is simply good. I mean, budget dash cams don't usually tend to give such good quality, but the EVO 700 does surpass that and provides you a decent quality and a more value for money quality in terms of the video, coming at a price of less than 3,000 bucks. So if you really cannot spend the point of 3,000 rupees and you're very tight on your budget, the EVO N700 would be your ideal choice. But the thing with the EVO N700 is that you'll have to purchase the hardware kit separately in order to enable parking monitoring. But what if you wanted to solve this issue and didn't really want to spend a lot on the hardware kit and wanted something that comes together as a combo? Well, the next dash cam I'm about to show you does just that. I'm talking about the Nexdigitron Neo OBD2 model. Yes, with this model you get a dash cam and a OBD2 hardware kit right in the box, and the good thing, the entire package costs less than 4,000 rupees. Yes, this coming at a price of about 3,999, probably even lesser in this Amazon sale, gives you the goodness of getting hardware kit and a parking monitoring straight out of the box, no questions asked. No need to buy an additional hardware kit. That's simply good for someone who is looking specifically to monitor your car when it's parked and don't want to spend a hell lot of money on a dash cam. So do make sure to check this dash cam out if you have those specific needs. Moving on to the next best option, well, slightly higher than the 4,000 segment, should I say 4,100 to 200 rupees, maybe even lesser in the sale now. I'm talking about the 70mm M310, the elder brother of the 70mm M300. Now 70mm launched this dash cam with some updated features and some improved design, and I personally like the design of the M310. Kind of gives off a very premium and a vibrant look to the dash camera, and coming close to 4,000 rupees. If you want a premium looking dash cam, if you want some fine classy video quality and you love the brand of 70mm, the M310 would be your ideal choice. That being said, there are two other dash cams in the under 5,000 segment that really kind of make it a sweet deal, a more value for money deal. I'm talking about the 70mm M200 and the Nexdigitron ACE 2. So this is one of the most confusing concept for many people who are trying to decide between the two. Should you go with the M200 or should you go with the Nexdigitron ACE 2? Both come at practically the same price, 4,999, and in this sale maybe even lesser. The 70mm M200 offers you the goodness of Starvis 2 sensor under 5,000 segment, never seen before factor in a budget segment camera, whereas the Nexdigitron ACE 2 offers you ultimate value for money, giving you a bumped up resolution, giving you a mini screen and also a GPS. So lots to consider between these two cameras, but I would say that if you drive your car more at night, I think the 70mm M200 would be more suitable to you because of the Starvis 2 sensor. But if you drive your car more during daytime and not much during nighttime, I think the Nexdigitron ACE 2 would be an ideal choice. Of course, you can decide between either of two based on your conditions, based on your requirement, because both are practically the same. So do take a look at your personal requirements for a dashcam, what you expect from a dashcam, and you can decide based on that if you want to go with the M200 with the Starvis 2 or you want to go with the ACE 2 with GPS and a mini screen. So these 5 dashcams form the cream of the under 5000 segment. The Easy N700, the Nexdigitron Neo OBD2 model, the 70mm M310, the 70mm M200 and the Nexdigitron ACE 2. So all these are front only cameras, no dual channel variant under the 5000 segment. But what if you wanted a dual channel segment and still cannot spend beyond 6, 7 or 8,000 rupees and don't want to go beyond the 10,000 price bracket? Well, I have the ideal solution for you. You can consider the Nexdigitron Prime. Yes, Nexdigitron Prime offers you a quad HD resolution, gives you the previous gen Starvis IMX335 sensor. It comes in a dual channel variant basically with the rear camera, and the price of this camera coming close to about 8,500 in normal days, but in this sale the price is going to be much lesser. So if you want a dual channel dashcam with super cool features and your budget is close to about 8,000 bucks, the Nexdigitron Prime is your ideal choice. The next best option which I would consider under the 10,000 segment is the previous gen workhorse for 70mm, the 70mm A500S. So this dashcam comes in both single and dual channel variants, but usually the dual channel variant is slightly priced higher than the 10,000 price bracket, but in this sale the dual channel variant should come under the 10,000 segment as well. So if you are looking for a complete package dashcam and you don't want to spend beyond 10,000, the A500S would definitely be one of the perfect choices for you. That being said, if you want the power of Starvis 2 and you don't want to spend beyond 10k, well, I really think the 70mm A510 front only variant coming at a price of 10,000 rupees or slightly lesser in the sale would be an ideal choice. Now the drawback being, if you don't want to spend beyond 10,000, you will get only a front only version, but I would strongly recommend getting the dual channel version, adding in a few more thousand bucks to make it a worthy package, to make it a complete package. But if your budget is extremely tight, the front only version can still be a very strong contender in this list because it gives you close to 4K resolution. The power of Starvis 2 gives you GPS, gives you screen and many other features no other camera can offer within that price range. That being said, there are other options as well under the 10,000 segment, both front only and the dual channel variant. I'm not gonna waste your time making an extensive video about these. I'll just straight up give you the links to purchase or even check out its detailed review videos in the description below. That being said, there won't be a better time to grab yourself a dash camera, and in this Amazon sale you're gonna get some superb discounts. So go ahead, grab that camera right now, save yourself a lot of money and don't wait for some other time because you're not gonna get some discounts other time and you'll have to shell out that extra load of money just to get that same camera. That being said, if this video has helped you out and if you like the way I've presented this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button as well. Also do consider joining this channel as a Travel Tech member and get exclusive perks such as loyalty badges on your each comments, shoutouts in videos, and of course stand a chance to win a premium dash camera every single month of 2025. That's it. Go ahead, grab those budget dash cams right now. Don't waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.